This part of my Christmas gift. Needs na daw niya to
Some
make.
people get Christmas every day.
Don't tell them. Yeah, it's like me, Christmas every day. We're just been spoiled by daddy. Needs to get healthy because the
What?
wife is sickling.
Don't bring it over here.
Wow.
That's a pretty basic one.
Yeah. Oh, daddy's present. I'm excited for this
Your
night.
choice. Do you want to open it up for Christmas?
I can open it up.
Everyone is
No, you have me a gel pens.
and
daddy,
something else.
this one.
You have one more gift too.
Yeah, the stockings maybe.
Huh?
Dinner love. Yeah, I'm excited for this. Better to daddy smoothie. Peaches, pineapple, red seedless grapes, and kiwi. Very loud, guys. Of orange. Hey, what happened? I have a box. So, ako na lang video, no? So, today is December 17, love. So, I can't wait. I've been so excited with this one. Daddy give me this. Na-found niya, guys, kanto pang Black Friday, love, o Cyber Monday?
Yeah.
Black Friday, ha? So, I've been waiting this. I can't wait this one anymore that I will open Christmas. Ay, open ko na niya para magamit sa mother. So, let me see. Allah, a lot did I hear in the box. Oh, look at that. Daddy, wanna see? Baby sugar. Oh! Tons of knife.
How yummy is it?
Like this na knife, guys. Makita. This one. Thank you very much. So na pa siya yung knife. Yeah, kita naman ninyo sa picture. So, inano siya kadaghan. In that one box.
I want more. I love it.
I want some more. You love it.
Eat it all first. Eat all that you have.
Thank you, Daddy. Kumana niyo. Smoothie. It's good? It's sour, yeah. Kumana na siya, guys. Ikan tayo ang atong kutsilyo. Silosan. Set up na ito na ninyo. So, this
Set them
one.
all up.
Yep.
Go ahead and eat your smoothie.
I will put sa this one.
Good.
That really good? Oops, this is the big one. Maybe this is the one with wood lap.
That's probably the block.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Let's see. No more wrapping na. Because I'm excited this to use. Show the one lab. Look at it. Very nice.
You love it.
It's
That's
wood.
a knife sharpener.
Very nice.
It's a knife sharpener and coat time. Pretty good time.
Ah, fancy.
No, no.
Wow! Show them that one. Fancy. Sharpener na siya, guys. Sharpener sa Wait, that's too small.
I have to look through and see all.
How many there are?
So this is like a bone.
Mm.
So that's a lot.
So maybe the knife is right here.
Guessing. Is there a picture? Let's see which
Where
ones
is-
go where. No, that doesn't have the picture of it.
Yan na dagan. Dito sa nakul na itong knife. Okay, so
This is not one of them.
one of them.
No,
So
this
maybe
goes
it's
here.
in there.
These are all serrated.
Kanahan ko ba na siya bairan.
See?
Bairan din ha.
So they're like
Yeah.
steak knives for dinner.
Astercook.
See, this is a boning knife.
So there's two. One lab no.
Can bone thinner cut to
To
meat with
scissor.
accuracy.
So I could be, because of this this knife, I could be now a chip cook.
Yeah. Cheese knife.
Oh, fancy. Fancy, fancy. Cheese knife. It's so good.
I feel like that's too big for that one.
Para no na wasting wrapping paper. Good na to. I've been waiting for this, cracking this one.
Rinsing, dicing.
What's the big one?
Well, there's two big ones.
Picture only? Shape na. So is your wife gonna be shape?
I dropped this on. Wait.
Shape that don't know how to cook? Last one.
So I want these two together.
Here you go. So, amo na ni ang Christmas gift for me from Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, love. I like it because, woody. Wood, tapos na siya bairan. I love it. Astercook. Montage. Montage lang. Ayan, ang atong. Thank you very much. May pa bairan.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.